Welcome, fam. If your spine feels stiff, your core feels asleep, and your energy is missing, this is your reset. In the next 5 minutes, we're going to unlock your back, fire up your core, and release tension that's been weighing you down before the day even starts. Let's hit the mat. We're starting with the foundation, your spine. This move wakes up your nervous system, opens up the back, and gets your breath flowing. You'll feel the shift in seconds. Start in tabletop, hands under shoulders, knees under hips. Inhale, drop your belly, lift your chest, and gaze. Cow. Exhale, around your spine, tuck your chin, pull belly button in. Cat. Keep flowing, syncing breath with movement. Think of this like brushing your spine clean after 8 hours of lying still. You're waking up every vertebra. Did you know that spinal mobility is one of the biggest predictors of long-term joint health? Slow it down. Can you take a full 5-second exhale for each rep? Do you feel that ripple down your spine yet? If not, press into the floor and exaggerate the arch. That just fired up your spinal engine. Let's move deeper into your hips now. If your hips are tight, your spine pays the price. This movement unlocks hidden tension where most people never think to check. Your internal hip rotation. Sit on the floor, knees bent, feet wider than hips. Drop your right knee inward towards your left foot, then return to center. Alternate sides with control. This move doesn't look intense, but it hits deep. It's a key to long-term hip health and lower back relief. Here's a surprising fact. Most people have weak internal rotation, which limits balance and makes squats or walking feel harder than they should. As you rotate, try pausing for 2 seconds when your knees drop. Can you feel that stretch deepen? Do your hips feel sticky yet? If not, slow it down and stay relaxed. That just unlocked your hips. Now let's activate the core to keep them stable. This is core activation without crunches. It resets your posture, lights up your deep abdominal wall, and trains your spine to stay strong under pressure. Start in tabletop. Extend your right leg back, left arm forward. Keep your hips level, core tight. Slowly bring your elbow to knee, then extend again. Hold the full extension for 3 seconds. Can you keep everything stable? Do you feel the glutes and core working together? If not, check your balance and re-engage your belly. That just powered up your core. Now let's hit the left side to lock in symmetry. This is where we balance everything out. Don't be surprised if this side feels shakier. Your body's revealing its secrets. Activating both sides of your core here sets you up for even better posture in our next upper body stretch. Move slow. Can you make your hand and foot leave the floor at the same time without wiggling? Now that your spine and core are on, let's tackle that shoulder tension that crept in while you slept. This move targets your traps, delts, and rotator cuff. Basically, all the muscles that tense up when life gets stressful or when you're sitting for too long. Stand or sit tall. Bring your right arm across your body. Use your left hand to gently press your arm toward your chest. Keep shoulders relaxed. Can you keep your trap down instead of hunching? That's where the real work begins. Do you feel it pulling in your rear shoulder? If not, check your hand placement and breathe deeper. That's a reset for your upper back. Let's even it out. This might be the tighter side. It usually is. Stay with it. Try adding a little movement by turning your head left and right while holding. Feel the fascia release. Opening your shoulders now is going to let you fully relax in your final stretch. That's your upper body reset. Now let's finish with the most soothing lower back stretch of the day. We hold emotional tension in the lower back, and this stretch is a gentle release for both body and mind. Sit tall on the mat, pull your right knee in towards your chest, hug it in, and breathe deeply. Keep the left leg relaxed or extended. Close your eyes, breathe into the tightest spot. Can you feel your spine decompress? Do you feel the relief yet? If not, pull in a little tighter and exhale fully. Just release tension off one side. Now let's complete the reset. Repeat on the left. Doing this daily keeps your hips open and your lower back happy, even after long work days or tough workouts. See if you can rock side to side. It massages your lower spine and deepens the stretch. You just gave your body 5 minutes of space, control, and breath. But tension doesn't just live in your muscles and joints. It lives in your mind, it shows up in your habits, it drains your energy, even when you sleep 8 hours. When you're burned out, stuck in survivor mode, or striving without rest, you don't need a harder plan, you need a reset that nourishes your body, clears your mind, and centers your spirit. That's what the 3-day reset is built for. Daily stretch flows that reconnect you to your body, scripture plus mindset shifts to clear the mental fog, a Bible-based nutrition guide that fuels your energy without obsession. It's your full body rhythm reboot, rooted in truth, not trends. If you've been running on empty, this is how you come back stronger. Tap the link in the description or pinned comment to start your free 3-day reset now. Because the goal isn't just progress, it's peace that lasts.